Hello, my dear. Welcome to the ingredient channel. In this week's episode, we're making ginger milk curd. Ginger milk curd is a traditional Cantonese hot drink. It is very easy to make and typically involves only three ingredients: ginger, milk, and sugar. To make it a bit healthier, in this recipe I'm using condensed milk to avoid added sugar. The delicate drink is light and milky. Accurate temperature is the only cooking technique required, so the secret weapon is the thermometer. Make sure you have one handy. Ready? Let's start. First, let's prepare the fresh ginger juice. Peel the skin of the ginger to avoid the earthy scent. Mince the ginger. Put the minced ginger into a steamer cloth and squeeze out the juice. It will be the best to use organic ginger for the stronger and fresher taste. Put 2 teaspoons into each bowl. Set aside for use later. The left out white stuff is actually starch. We don't need it. Now measure out 1/4 cup of condensed milk and 1½ cup of whole milk. Mix. Well, 2% works. The result is not as good. Boil the milk mixture. Use the thermometer to check the temperature. Turn off the heat as soon as the mixture reaches 170 to 180 Fahrenheit. Make sure you use medium heat. Pour the milk into the bowls. Raise the pot a bit higher so the milk crashes with the ginger juice to stimulate the magical chemical effect which produces the tofu-like texture. Wait for 5 minutes for the pudding to form. Voila! The silky and tasty drink is ready. It is perfect to be served hot and lift my spirit in a rainy day. It can, however, be served cold, which makes it a great dessert for hot summer. Enjoy. Well, it's good to have you. I hope you enjoy this episode and check out the other videos in my channel. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks.